funded and focused feature. As a woman over the age of 35, you've worked too hard to let your money sit still. It's time to move with intention, to stop waiting for one day and start using what you already have to create wealth that works for you. Whether it's a small piece of land, a family lot, or property you've had for years, that land can become the foundation of your financial freedom. Imputed land equity is when a bank or lender uses the current market value of your land, not what you paid for it, as your cash investment in a building project. So let's break it down. You buy or already own a piece of land. The land is worth more than what you paid for it. When you take that land to a lender, they look at the market value, which is the amount it would sell for today. The lender treats that value as if it's money you've already invested, and that's called equity.